How to change Canva presentation to MS Word. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our Canva account here in our browser. So as you can see, I'm already in my Canva dashboard. Now let's just pick one presentation that we would like to save as an MS Word. So for example, I have clicked on one of my presentations before here, and I would like to have my fourth and fifth page saved in MS Word. So simply click on share here, and by then you can go to download and save it as a PDF standard. Let's just untick boxes 1, 2, 3. So here I will just make use of pages 4 to 5 and hit on download. Alright, so here we have successfully downloaded our Canva presentations pages 4 to 5. The next thing that we need to do is to open another browser, and in the other browser, let's go to ilovepdf.com. Alright, so in this page, you could actually convert your PDF files to different kinds of formats. So for example, PDF Word, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, so whichever. Since we're going to use Word, simply click on Word and select your PDF file. And let's have Canva presentation 1. And convert to Word here. Alright, so there you have it. It has been converted to Word. Now the next thing that you need to do is to download the WordPad. And as we can see, we have successfully downloaded it to Word. Alright, so that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed.